Hello everyone, this is Ruben from The Fix. So today what I'm going to do, this is my Amazfit GTR 2. I'm going to change the screen protector. So I got one screen protector, I'll see what's inside really. There you go, they put some stuff, dust absorber, guide sticker, blah blah blah, I don't know. Here is my screen. So first let's pull it out. Good. And then here is the dust absorber, whatever they call it. Anyway, let's pull it out. There you go. Dirty, pour it here. Okay. You need to clean it through the corner because we'll put it on the corner. Okay, so far seems okay. Then here we go. Our screen. Okay, so here you can see it already. We need to adjust it. Okay, so to adjust it, we'll need to put what? You know what we need to put? We need to put this guide sticker. Okay, so okay, where is the here? Okay, this side. So the guide sticker, you need to put it first this way. Okay, so the guide sticker will be here. Okay, all right. So this is our guide sticker, and it's best just open this one. Also best you open that one. All right, now what you will do, the screen and this one needs to be aligned. Okay, align, and then carefully put it in. Okay, done. Now what you need to do, you are good, everything is fine, perfectly aligned. Okay, see. Okay, so let's do an wet whips first to make it little bit you need to do it, so it will help you. Okay, and then you need to use the dry wipes out just like that and clean it up. Okay, now everything is super clean. Still you do another here you can see lots of dust in it. You put it in. Now careful with it again, check it out, is everything aligned? Okay, so for align, now just there. Okay, here you can see the Okay, it is very heavy, very hard, I would say, but we have to pull it out. So just bear with me. Here you go. We're done. We are good to go. Okay. Then take a hard spray and do it carefully. Lots of, okay. If there are some gas or air inside, just push it. But you can see there cannot be any kind of card. And then slowly, if it doesn't work, then you have another chance. Although it's not a chance, it's not a good chance really, but still you have to do it. There's no other option, because air, if there is air, we are in trouble. Okay, so we need to pull out all the air. We should not keep any air inside. If there is air, it will not work. You see? Like that, all of the air is gone. Alright, here we go. More or less it's good. Everything working fine. And then you just open your sticker. So we are good. It's a nice protector. Very good card. And also, guys, this is the end of my video, but I have a request to you guys. I'm currently supporting a struggling artist from Dubai and trying to help her with her sales. So you can see below my video there are some products. It's a real paint and printings, which is used as a sticker and attached to those t-shirts, mugs and everything. If you want to help and contribute to her paintings, you can buy it from the shop. That's it, guys. Bye bye, take care and peace.